Hello everyone, I'm back. I started my lives again from yesterday, and yesterday was about CW Digimark and my book that I'm writing. Today I am going to teach you and show you my client called LEDBOXFRAME, and I am going to show you what I do regarding SEO and crawling their website. Hey, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and tomorrow we're going to do another client. So yes, glad to see everyone here today. Do that. I'm going to do a little bit of restructuring here. Let's record. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, I have a client, LEDBOXFRAME. This is their website, LEDBOXFRAME.com. There we go. Let's go through their website for a little bit, and then I would like to start with crawling it. So, LEDBOXFRAME, and I've got a frame here today, is, oh, you can't see it. Okay, can't see the box frame because of the background. Okay, so what is LEDBOXFRAME? LEDBOXFRAME, so the owner has started 3D printing these boxes, patented in the UK. So he, with biodegradable or he uses products that are safe for the environment to create these box frames. Okay, so what it says here is custom LED box frames, personalized LED light boxes for every occasion. Create your own masterpiece with personalized LED box frames. Choose your design and a name or message and light up your space with a custom glow that's truly one of a kind. Okay, and each one comes with, where's my capturing now? Each box frame comes with their personal LED lights. Okay, let me just double check why it's not capturing. No video signal. Why not? Ah, there we go. So there's the box frames. Okay. So this is a little bit of what I do. What I do for each client. And so it's a little bit of advertising for the client. And then showing you how I do the SEO and how I create content and how I fix their meta descriptions, meta tags, alt tags on their website. Okay, so when I start off with a client, I'm going to put that there. When I start off with a client, I first crawl their website. Now, if you are not new here, you would know that I consider Neil Patel, so I'm going to write his name here, Neil Patel from NP Digital, as my mentor. Now, he's based in America and he has designed and created a tool called Uber Suggest. So let me take you to Uber Suggest and I will show you how I start a new client off with creating the SEO plan. So this is Uber Suggests. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Oh, let me just completely make it bigger. There we go. So Uber Suggest is where you can see, you can do a complete site audit. Now at the moment I am crawling LEDBOXFRAME, my client, but for this purpose, I'm going to start a new project for LEDBOXFRAME. Okay. Let me just see if everyone can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I'm going to start a brand new project. Then. So what I'm going to do is, this is the website. Let's go. I just want to make sure you guys can see what I see. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to collect the information from the website and I'm going to put that in. Next. You already have this project. Okay, so close. Let me then delete the project that I have. LEDBOXFRAME. So we are going to remove this project. Yes. And we're going to start from scratch. So that's another client. We will be doing that client tomorrow. Here we go. So what we start with in Uber Suggest by NP Digital, we website start tracking and improving your website's SEO traffic. Website. There we go. We're going to add the website and we go click on next. I want to make sure that you guys can still see me. Okay. Now, you've got to determine when you start off with a client and crawling their website, you need to determine their language and their location. Now, attract the right traffic by entering the language and locations you do business in. Now, this client does business in the United Kingdom. So he's English, United Kingdom, and add. Okay. Next. Now what we are going to do is keyword rank tracking. Okay. Keyword rank tracking. And what that is track keywords to get regular ranking updates. Hello Rosebud, thank you for joining. Updates and daily. Sean, thank you for joining. Updates and daily content opportunities. This is an amazing tool. Double check that you guys can still see what I'm doing. Managing a TikTok live as a one-man show is not an easy task. Okay. Need to. Now, LED box frame. Now, the box frame they utilize different types of imagery. Let's go back here. Let's go to the home page and I'll show you the categories. Different, got wolves and animals and the northern lights. So different categories, but you can send in your own personalized images, which you can then, what I have done, I've got my wedding photos in my box. I wonder if I plug my light box in, you can actually see it. Plug it in over there. No. Okay, sorry, that won't work. Hey, that's the problem with green screens and stuff. Okay, so that is why long-haired Labrador, these are all the keywords that Uber Suggest is looking into. Mystical wolf, LED art. So what I do is, before I utilize any of these keywords, I go to my ChatGPT. Okay. In my ChatGPT, I already set up a GPT for my client. And what I will be doing is I will be adding his website, and I will be going to, and I will be asking ChatGPT, Control C, so back here, Control V. So I'm going to say extract keywords for keyword rank tracking. And I will give explanation. Track keywords to get regular ranking updates, and daily content. Okay, so I'm asking, and I've got the website address, content from this website. Okay, so let's see what we come up with. So searching the web. Just want to get everything. Hi, Brunette and Bulldog. Thanks for joining. Okay, so I've determined through ChatGPT what keywords we can use for the client. See what you guys can see. You've got my ChatGPT there. Okay. We're going to enter the words on Uber Suggest. Make this smaller. So the core product keywords that we're getting is LED light box frame. So Control V. Custom LED light box. Personalized LED frame. Illuminate photo frame. Light up picture frame. LED display frame. Then gifts and occasion-based keywords. So we've got personalized gifts, unique home decor gifts, custom photo gifts, Valentine's Day LED gifts, Christmas light up frames, birthday LED photo frame. Okay. Then thematic and niche keywords. Anime LED light box, animal themed LED frame, space themed light box, cityscape LED. Oh no, I didn't completely see. Cityscape LED frame, northern lights LED decor, wolf LED light box. Then we've got the unique selling propositions, USB keywords. Got here 2 free photo prints included, plug and go LED frame, customizable display, eco-friendly LED frame, handcrafted LED Lightbox UK. Okay, I've got 23 keywords there. I have 150 keywords in Ubersuggest. Then we are going to look at keywords, local and branded keywords. Okay. So locals, LED box frame UK, LED box frame reviews, LED box frame London, buy LED box UK, LED frame shop London, and then it tells me where I can monitor these, but I monitor them on Ubersuggest. Okay, so let me see what you guys can see. So there we go. We now have all the keywords in here. So I'm going to press next. Now before I carry on with this, I have to create detected that live chat didn't appear on screen in the past 2 minutes. Okay. So before I carry on with the setup, I use Notion to track my clients. Okay, so let's start with my Notion. Okay. So let me show you what I do. Notion is a wonderful space. Let's see, can you see my Notion? Yes, you can see my Notion. Okay, so we've got the Notion open and I have to create a new team space. Okay, so new team space, and I will be calling this LED box frame. Now what I like to do is Control Alt, print screen. Then I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and paste it. Create this team space for LED box frame. Okay, so while it's doing that, okay, create a studio, views. No, that's what I wanted. Okay, it's done that. What I want is this. Okay. Create a new team space on Notion for LED box frame. Give me, what do we need? We need a name and description. Give me a name and a description. Here we go. See what you guys can see. Anyone in the chat? Hello everyone for joining. Hey, so what are we going to call it? We're going to call it LED box frame headquarters. Here we go, LED box frame headquarters. And the description gives you your central hub for glowing ideas, campaign launches, and creative collabs. From custom product drops to SEO power plays and social media storytelling. This is where LED magic gets made. Awesome. Thanks, ChatGPT. Create the space. Invite. Skip for now. Okay, I'm not going to invite anyone now. Oh, I should have given myself a team space setting. General. There we go. I want to edit. Edit the team space. Don't want to. It doesn't matter. Okay, so there is my team space. Now what I'm going to do is my CW needs to be so we are going to create team space in Notion. Is very easy. We can build with AI. Now what do I want to build with AI? I want to build the the keywords that we created. So I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to copy it into Notion. And Notion, beautiful system, beautifully upgraded. I love using Notion. So for all my team spaces or client spaces, I use Notion. Okay, so it's building this for me, and we will be working through. See if you guys can still see what I'm doing. There we go. Yes, you can see how it is building the project for me. Here we go. So it's built that. Okay, now we continue. Product keywords, rank tracking, done. Okay. So that is my SEO keyword tracker. And we can customize this by going to customize SEO tracker. I like to put in sub items, dependencies, tasks. Got a last updated. Yes, turn on the tasks. Category, stated priority. Category, turn on. Priority, high, medium, low. Estimates, points, tags. I like an AI summary. And then I would like a board. And by signee and mine. Timeline, calendar, and sprint. Turn on sprints. Okay, so I have now set up my SEO tracker, all keywords. So all the keywords are set up in here for me. Okay, now we're going to go back. Let's put that down. And we are going to go back to Ubersuggest. Now, next part of Ubersuggest is we are now having to find out, track your competitors and top websites with similar keywords to see how you stack up. And let me write this down in here. So through Ubersuggest, we are going to track your competitors and top websites with similar keywords to see how you stack up. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing. So we're first going to do business competitors. we are going to track search engine competitors. So we're going to track search engine competitors. Okay. I'm going to go here. C. Go back to my ChatGPT and put that in there. Find competitors and top websites for LEDBOXFRAME, LEDBOXFRAME.com. Okay, close the bracket, and now we're going to look for that. So now searching the internet for us. Okay, if you have any questions, put them in the chat box. Okay. So that is still trying to figure that out. So what do we have here? Wait. So top competitors. Now Ubersuggest has given me a couple, and then I can add some to my project. So the first one, we're gonna copy link address and put it in. Glowbox LLC, Wood Parent Studio. Control C, Control V, PK Green, C, Control V, and backlit box, C, Control V, and Adulex. And Control C, Control V. Okay, now before we carry on, we are going to put this information. So we copy that, and we're going to put the information into my Notion. Okay, if I do that, I just want to rename this one SEO trackers. So this is 1.00. Now we are going to we're going to build a new AI dashboard. Put that in, that information, and we are going to find, and then Notion's AI will create a database for me. Notion's AI will create a database for me. Quick and easy. Don't need to spend hours trying to create your own databases. Okay, can you guys see what I'm doing? Yes, you can. Any questions thus far before we carry on? Okay, well, while that's doing that, let's go back to Ubersuggest. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. And now we're gonna click on track. So now Ubersuggest is asking me if I want to track or do I want to pay someone to track for me. And I would want to do it myself. Okay, but before we do that, let's go to my Notion again. Okay, so it's built this for me. Key strengths, key weaknesses, strategic notes, continue, SEO performance, strategic planning, done. Okay, and then I just want to rename this to 2.11 LED Lightbox competitor tracking. And let me quickly customize this. Okay, so I want the sub, turn on subs, dependencies, tasks, competitor threat level, turn on database, priority, estimate, tags, AI summary, board by Sunny, mine, timeline, calendar, and sprints. Turn on sprints. Okay. So we've got now our SEO keyword tracker and LEDBOXFRAME competitors tracker. And there's my overview. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. So now we're going to put that away. And we are now going to go to Ubersuggest. Now, in Ubersuggest, you can collaborate. So, firstly, in Ubersuggest, let me just make this smaller so I can actually. So, in Ubersuggest, you can do it yourself, own your SEO journey, or you can done with you, where you can collaborate with Ubersuggests SEO experts, or we do it for you. Ubersuggests expert team handles everything. Okay, so you can make that choice. Now, I just want to see. I don't want this screen to show. I want you guys to see my. I want you to see my other. I want to share all my screens here with you guys today. I'm just going to add a source. Game capture, window capture. Add. And I would like to capture that window. Okay, there we go. Now we got that back. I'll just make this bigger. Full screen. Awesome. Okay, so there we go. SEO. Do it yourself. Now what we are going to, I always go for, I'll do my own. Okay. You're done. So head to the dashboard to fix your site and grow your traffic. It may take time for data to populate. Okay. So we are now With the LED box frame, let us change the project title. We're going to call it do this client LED box frame. Okay. I want rank tracking, daily mobile rank tracking on and notifications on. Okay, and save. Okay, so it's gonna crawl LED box frame. This takes quite some time, but we can work through everything else. Just want to see if you can see what I can see. Okay. Come on, make that bigger. Okay, so while that is crawling, we are going to work through what Ubersuggest provides us. So we're going to go to the dashboard. What it says here is welcome to your dashboard. Based on the competition in Google and an analysis of your site, we've prioritized top SEO opportunities you can act on now to grow your traffic. Okay, how you just say okay. So let's see here. We have a lot of things. What I'm going to do is we've got one page that has a SEO issue or blocked from appearing in search engines. We've got one page with broken links, and then it gives you some content. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download. I'm going to export this PDF. So while that's exporting, can you guys see? Okay. Hello, Bernie. Thank you for joining. What's this? Hey. Give me a shot if you have anything. So I am exporting a PDF for LED box frames top SEO opportunity. Oh, what? Opportunities. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. I don't know why it's taking so long, but that's okay. Do one thing at a time. Who has any questions? I can give you the website that I use for Ubersuggest. It is Neil Patel from NP Digital. And so while that's exporting, let's talk more about my client. Let's read on the website. So with every frame, you get 2 free photo prints with every LED light box frame. Okay. So welcome to LED box frame, custom LED light boxes that make memories shine. Explore our official shop for beautifully handcrafted, eco-friendly LED box frames, perfect as personalized gifts or unique home decor. Each frame includes 2 free printed photos and lights up your space with meaning and style. Let me put that in here. It's still downloading. Yes. So let me take my time here. Oh, can't write all of that in there. So what you do is you get 2 free photo prints with every LED box frame, light box frame, LED light box frame. Here we go. Let's see, is this done? No, it's still exporting. What is LED box frame? LED box frame is custom LED light boxes that make memories shine. Hey. Still exporting. Holy moly. Okay. Something else. So, what we have here is explore on the website. Explore LED boxframe.com official shop for beautifully handcrafted eco-friendly LED light box frames. Okay. And what else? It is perfect as personalized gifts or unique home decor. Each frame includes 2 free printed photos and lights up your space with meaning and style. You can also go to LEDBOXFRAME's TikTok shop. LEDBOXFRAME has a TikTok shop and a Instagram shop. So you don't need to just shop on their website. You can shop on their TikTok and Instagram. Okay, let's see if it's still downloading. Oh my goodness, still exporting. Okay, while that is exporting, we are going to connect with Google. Let's see, can you guys still see? Yes, you can still see that. Okay, now I'm going to connect with Google My Business. Think it's connecting to the right Google My Business. I hope it's not connecting to mine. Let's see, connect. Okay, I can't connect there. Okay. It has been connected. Has this been exported now? Where's my exports? Downloads. No, it hasn't. Let's try again then. Oh, it's still exporting. Okay. Down we want to look at the estimated organic traffic. So connect with Google. Forms issue detected. Try turning off effects to improve live performance. Okay, turn off live effects. What is it turned off? Okay, it hasn't turned off a lot. Okay. Continue, continue. Okay. It's still exporting, yeah. Yes, still exporting. Then connect with Google Analytics. There, I already got my properties because I connected my Google. So there we go, LED box frame. Connect. Okay. So I've got my Google there. What does this all say? You've successfully connected LEDBOXFRAME. Were unable to connect Google Search Console because we couldn't find LEDBox as a verified domain in your account. Review troubleshoot tips. Okay, it's fine. It's fine for now. So I've connected that. Now here it will show you. Hi, Henry. Thank you for joining from Digital Blueprint Path. How are you doing today, Henry? Tell me a bit about your business. Where are we? You haven't stuck around. Oh, I don't have. My background is gone. Whoops. That's not the type of background I want you guys to see. Oh my golly gosh. Okay. Let's change my background back to what it's supposed to be. Hmm. Come on. Here we go. Camera. Background. I'll give you something better to look at. Give me a second. Then my whatever I've got here now. No. Cancel that. Okay. What is this now? Oh, my CapCut. Okay, so that's exporting. Okay, so you can see me now. That's fine. Better than looking at me and my washing. Let's go back to the Uber suggest. Over here we can see. Over here we can see in Uber suggest we can look at keyword rankings. Rankings. And we can look at estimated traffic value, as well as organic traffic. We can look at organic traffic, What else can we look at? We can look at top SEO opportunities. And we can look at SEO issues to fix and new content ideas. And then we go down, down, down. We can also look at backlinks. And we can check out on page SEO score for LEDBOXFRAME.com. LED, spelled that wrong. LEDBOXFRAME.com. There we go. Okay, any questions? Let me know. What else can we look at? And then we can track. You can view and view. Hello, thank you for joining. View competitor tracking. Okay. I don't know why this exporting is taking so long. I'm actually going to cancel that for now. Okay, so now you can export everything. Then we can go to rank tracking. And over here, we can look at the ranks. We can choose all the time. And we can choose all the locations. We can choose desktop or we can choose phone. Okay. And we can add and export, add keywords, and we can update the difficulties. So here we can check the positioning, the keyword, if it's changed, the volume, SEO difficulty, and the URL. Okay, so here we are looking at, so rank tracking, and we tracked our keywords. Okay. Then we go to our SEO opportunities. SEO opportunities. And this is where we look what all our problems are. Okay, which pages we need to fix, which pages are blocked, which pages have broken links. So I've got to check that out. Then you've got your own little workspace. So over here you have your own workspace. Okay. So here you can put in keyword ideas. You can put in and go to the AI writer for content ideas. So let's put in keyword. Let's do the keyword ideas. Okay, so search by keyword. Let's search by website. Okay, and we are going to search LEDBOXFRAME.com. Okay, and we're going to press search. So are you guys still with me? So LEDBOXFRAME. And what you can do is then you can select all these keywords and you can add it to your lists. Now I have add all to keyword list, add select to keyword list, add selected to keyword list. Okay, I hope I'm gonna, yes, I've created keyword list for LEDBOXFRAME, so that is now so. I add the keyword Then you can add selected to keyword lists. Okay, so LED box frame. Okay. And add all to rank tracking. And I've got client hardware LED box frame. So track keywords. Okay, so we are tracking the keywords now. Any questions thus far? Questions? Righty then. Long haired, meaning of yin yang in love, LED frame, cityscape. So now what you can do is you can choose if you want to generate content with this. Okay, so let's go back to our workspace. So we've done the search history, we've done that, we're going to do content outline. Okay, I don't want to create a document yet. We'll do content outline later. Okay. So this is my workspace. Then we're going to go to Chrome extension. And I am going to add a Chrome extension. I think I already got my Chrome extension. Let's just double check. Yes, I already got my Chrome extension. So can you see that I've put that in there? Okay. Then let's check how the site audit is doing. There we go. So we have now crawled our LED box frame. And we've got our SEO score. We've got our organic monthly traffic, organic keywords, and our backlinks. So what I am thinking of is, let's see here. Control C. We're going to go back to my Notion, and we're going to AI another, what do you call it, plan or task in my Notion. Okay, so let's click on them. Can you guys see what Notion is doing? Okay, no, you're not on Notion now, but okay. See what Chrome is that? What Chrome is that? Okay, so I'm building now on Notion. Traffic performance, crawl calendar. Who's phoning me? Let's put my phone softer. So this will be in my Notion 3.11 website audit tracker. And as I said before, I will now customize it. Sub-items, dependencies, tasks. So what tasks do I want to track? Status priority. Status. Turn on task. Priority, high, medium, low. Estimate points, tags. Board, by assignee, mine, timeline, calendar, sprints, add to sprint. Okay, I don't actually know what you guys are viewing at the moment. There we go. You've got my Notion. Okay, so we've got the website. When I crawled it, and see all pages here. Status, it needs fixing. We've got missing meta descriptions. We have slow loading. and it's a high priority. Okay. And now let's go back to Ubersuggest. Now we're going to look at pages crawled. Now what I want to do is I want to write this in here for you guys. So what is a site audit? Okay. So what is a site? What is a site audit on Ubersuggest? It is, you get a prioritized list of technical issues that may be hurting your website's ability to rank, ordered by how critical, I can't spell, critical, where am I? They are to your success. Okay. Then, what is on-page SEO? What is on-page SEO score? On-page SEO score this is your overall SEO score for all pages scanned in this site audit. Okay. And come on. Performance issues again. I don't want you guys to see me, because I've got luck. Let me just make myself very, very small. Somewhere there. There we go. Camera source obstructed. Okay, fine. I'll put you there then. Oh my golly gosh. Okay. So, that's the one part. Okay, what else does it say? So, it is a 0 to 100 score, with 0 being the lowest possible score. Okay, this score represents a combination of the ratio of issues found to the number of checks performed by the audit tools, and use this as your main guide to keeping track of your SEO over time. Any questions thus far? Then now let's talk about what is organic monthly traffic. This is the total estimated traffic. This, hello Ellie Baker, thanks for joining. This domain gets considering, oh, can't spell, considering the organic keywords. Okay, and let's explain what is organic keywords. What is organic keywords? Okay. The number of keywords this domain ranks for in, hello Leo, thank you for joining, for in the organic search. And then, next, what are backlinks? It's how many incoming, hello familiar, thank you for joining. How many incoming hyperlinks from other websites to this domain? Okay, so that is what we have been tracking, or what we are busy tracking. Now the next one we are going to do is pages crawled. Now LEDBOXFRAME we crawled 1,251 pages. So let's see, what does pages crawled mean? Firstly it means the total number of pages we crawled in your site. Oh, I've got to upgrade to crawl more pages. I'll upgrade when I upgrade. Okay. And what does it say? We've crawled 1,057 pages and found 194 blocked pages. Now, page statuses. What do each status mean? What do each page status mean? First one is page status is the response we received when crawling each page. Then where successful means crawlers and humans can view this page. Redirected means this page is redirecting to another URL. And broken means the page cannot be viewed due to a 4XX or 5XX error. Okay, and then blocked means this page cannot be crawled by search engines. Okay, so let's have see. So we've got 194 pages that are broken. So let's throw this into Notion again. Okay, let's create. So we've done a website audit crawl. Now we are going to build with AI. Control V. Let's see what we have here. Can you guys see? No. Okay, doesn't really matter. Any questions? So we are building on Notion. So we customize a page, crawl it tracker on Notion. So we got a crawl date, response code, redirect, URL, error message, content type, page size, and notes. Continue. And we're going to check all pages, status board, block pages, and redirect maps. Done. Can you guys see? Yes, you guys can see now. Okay. Now, like you know, this is now number 4, page crawl tracker. And let's customize it. So add sub items, dependencies, turn on dependencies, tasks. What task do I want to select? Content type, status, turn on database, priority, high, medium, low, estimates, points, tags. I like the AI summary, board, by assignee, mine, timeline and calendar, and then lastly turn on sprints. Okay, so the website that I'm crawling, let's see about status, priority issues, traffic performance. That's my crawl calendar, the board, what we need to do, and so on and so forth. Any questions this far? Okay, let's go back to Ubersuggest. Now, SEO issues discovered. Okay. So what does that mean? This here. What does SEO issues discovered mean? Right. This is the total number of SEO issues identified while crawling your site. Okay. Then we have top issues. What does that mean? So, top SEO issues. This is the most important issues detected on your website based on their number and priority level. Okay, we're just going to do the top 3 and we're going to go back to Notion. And we're going to go to my team space and we are going to build another AI project. Can you guys see that? It still seems like it takes a minute or so to get going. Any questions thus far? Any questions? Okay, so notes, fixed date, continue, priority issues, due date, calendar, done. Customize. Summary. Board. Turn on sprints. Alrighty then. This will then be Springboard. Is now no, not Springboard. SEO tracker is number 5. Okay, so now we can track that. Let's go back to my SEO. Okay, next we're going to look at the different speeds. Okay, so we can view load times for computer and load times for mobile. Let me give you information. What is site speed? Yeah. What is site speed? This is how quickly your site loads or how quickly key elements become available to users on mobile. Okay. This audit is based on several data points, including when the first elements are painted and when the page becomes interactive. Okay, any questions? So now let's look at the site speed. We've got, so I will just do this again. Control C. So we're going to go back to, I'm going to create this, but I am going to put both in, that one. So that's for your desktop and now for mobile. Okay. Control C. Let's go here. Control V. Okay, and let's build that one. Okay, so we're building the database. Building a database. Okay. So getting myself comfortable. Not sure what you guys can see. Let me double check. Still see me in my my clothes in the back. Oh well. And okay, improvement notes assigned to continue. Needs improvement done. Right, now let's customize it. As you know, I like a certain amount of things that I like to check. Assign to, okay, device type. Yes, priorities. AI summary, love that. Turn on sprints. Okay. And then this would be, so website speed, and that will be project number 6 that I will be checking out every time. Okay. Performance overview, desktop, mobile. So we've got that. Let's go back here. Okay, so that is what the site audit has told us. Okay. Now we can go to keywords and what they are. We can go to my keyword overview. Okay, and we can determine, we can go and look at different keywords on Ubersuggest. Oh, here's a new one, bulk analysis. This is new. Add keywords or copy and paste. Okay. So as you know, we did some keyword research on AI, ChatGPT for this client, LEDBOXFRAME. And we discovered we have the core product keywords. So let's see what would be easier to put this in. Keywords separated by commas. Okay. Let us, I'm going to do this. I'm going to select all of this. Darn it. Control C. And we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to do this. Find keywords on LEDBOXFRAME.com. Paste. Get insights. There we go. Let's see what that comes back with. Any questions? Where is my... Oh, there it is. There's my chat box. I shouldn't be putting it away so far that I can't see it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's raining so nicely outside and my coffee is cold. Let's see what AI is building there for me. Wait. Okay. So we have core product keywords. I'm just going to, let's fix my screen here so I can do that. There we go. So, enter keywords, separate by commas. Okay. LED light box frame, custom LED light box, personalized LED frame, illuminate. Oh, we're the right ones. Yes. Illuminate photo frame, light up picture frame, LED display frame, gifts and occasion based keywords, personalized gifts, unique home decor gifts, custom photo gifts, Valentine's Day LED gifts, Christmas light up frames, birthday LED photo frame. Okay, thematic and niche keywords, anime LED box, animal themed LED frame, space theme light box, cityscape LED frame, northern lights, LED decor, wolf led LED light box. Unique selling propositions. Go. 2 free photo prints included. Plug and glow LED frame. Customizable illuminated display. Eco-friendly LED frame. Handcrafted LED light box UK. Okay. Next is local branded keywords. LED box frame UK. LED box frame reviews. LED box frame London. Buy LED box UK. LED frame shop London. Okay. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we are going to analyze these keywords. There we go. Now what I am going to do is we have analyzed these keywords and I am going to put them into Notion again. Okay. Control C. And we're going to go to Notion. And we are going to go to LED headquarters. And we're going to build with AI. Control V. Let's build. Any questions this far? Any questions? Okay, so it's building. I don't know, what can you guys see? Okay, you can see how it's building. Okay. I like this new feature. Never tried it. So you guys are learning with me. So, basically, Uber Suggest has a new feature called bulk analysis. This is analyzing keywords in bulk. Okay, let's see. Time is it? Category, notes, continue. Okay, done. Customize, you know me now, by now. Sub-items. Tasks. Select category priority. Priority. Okay. Estimate. Tags. AI summary. Board. By assignee. Mine. Timeline. Calendar. Sprint. Turn on sprint. Okay. And this would be then the keyword analysis. This would be my 7th project that I will be checking for my clients. Okay, all keywords, all of them there, gives me the search volume, the cost per click, all that information. Okay, let's go back to, and then you can generate content. I wonder, let's generate, well, let me give you the information about what is a keyword. Okay, so let me give that information to you. Keyword. Words that people type into Google. Hey. Next, the volume. What does it mean when we look at volume? It's called search volume. Okay. The number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. Next is CPC. What does CPC mean? Cost per click. CPC. Average cost per click if you wanted to pay Google to be seen as an ad. And if someone is paying a high CPC, the keyword is usually more valuable. Let's go back to volume, the search volume. You would like to utilize what people search for 1,000 plus times a month. So personalized gifts in the UK get searched 1,600 times on Google per month. Okay? You want to utilize that keyword in the content for LEDBOXFRAME. The others, not so much. You can still, but especially the zero ones. Valentine's Day LED gifts. No one is searching for that. So why are you going to create content around that search term? Okay, because no one is interested in that. So PD, what does PD mean? Paid difficulty. Estimated competition in paid search. The higher the number, the more competitive. Okay. And then SEO difficulty. Okay, let's put that here. SEO difficulty. Estimated competition in organic search. The higher the number, the more competitive. Okay. So, did we do that now for... Yes, we've done this. So, keyword analysis, we've done that. We have discovered when it was last updated, high search volume, lost internet. What went wrong? Live TikTok. Because you guys aren't interacting with me. Come on. There we go. If this happens, I've got 30 more minutes left. If this happens again, I'm just going to say goodbye. That's fine. Okay, let's go to, so we've done our bulk search. Now we can go and do keyword ideas. Okay, so we can search our keyword ideas. We search the web, LED box frame, customer LED, personalized gifts. So we have now autocomplete by Google. So we've got keyword ideas. And these keyword ideas we can then add to our list. And so we can add it to LED box frame, keywords, and we can add it to add all to rank to track LED box frame track. Okay. Now what I can do here is I'm going to put that in. Okay, let's search this again. Search the website. See, LED box frame. So we've got your keywords, your keyword ideas. Okay, now we can go to keyword visualization. Hey, get a detailed keyword overview. So let's search LED light box frame. Okay, and let's search that. And it will give you a little visualization over here. Or you can check out the data. So, who are LED box frame? How do that? Basically, I am going to how to make an LED box frame. I'm just going to open them all. Okay, see all keyword information, and we're going to put this into my Notion again. Okay, let's do this. There we go. Control C. Let's go to Notion. And let's create another one. Build on Notion. Okay. Well, that's building, so we can now export that. You can view it as an image. So who? Okay. Okay, who's with me? Any questions? Any questions? Keywords. Okay. Let's customize. Whew, sorry. Keyword type, question word, content status, priority, keyword type. Okay. Righty then, we've got that. Keyword. So this is LED box frame keywords. Okay, number 8. All keywords. So we've got that. Pay difficulty, we've got all that information. Let's see, see the sprint. Okay. And the sprint's current. Okay. What are we doing next? Uber suggest. Okay. So now we're going to go to keywords by traffic. Okay. Okay, so we've got keywords by traffic. And we're going to select it and we're going to add it to our list. Add to keyword list, LED box frame, keywords, and add to rank tracking, LED box frame. So we're tracking that. Okay, clipboard, add to lists. Okay, so I'm going to just do that. Control C, let's go back to let's build that. Well, that's building. Okay, so we're checking out the domain. Volume, search volume. Okay. Next, we will go to content ideas. That would be our next. Give me a second. Any questions? Any questions? A keyword category, priority, status, continue, by location, by priority. Done. Okay, customize. Task. What am I going to check? Location, keyword category, priority, status. Keyword category. Okay. Summary. Oh, sorry. Board by Sunny. Mine. Timeline. Calendar. Sprint. Turn on the sprint. There we go. This is now SEO keyword tracker, all keywords, and this will be 9. Okay, all this will be cleaned up, and I will still double check. That's what I'm going to do the rest of the day. Now we've done keywords by traffic. Now similar websites. Okay, so we've searched similar websites. And we've got all the similar websites here, and what we can do, let me explain each one for you like we've been doing. Okay. So what does it mean, similar websites? Okay. Similar websites is a list of websites that rank for similar keywords against the website you're analyzing. Okay. Next one is common keywords. Keywords. A list of keywords that the website you're analyzing and its competition rank for. Okay. Then keyword gap. Keyword gap is a list of keywords that the competition ranks for, but the website you're analyzing doesn't. Okay. Estimated traffic. The estimated traffic this web page gets from Google for this particular term. And then backlinks. Backlinks is how many incoming hyperlinks from other websites to this domain. Okay, so now let me do what I do best and start here. Control C, we're gonna go to Notion. And let's track that. Any questions? Any questions? Now we're analyzing that. We've got 15 more minutes left. I would like to look at the content ideas next before we say goodbye. Do I still have coffee? Okay, can you guys see? Oh, you're still there. Okay. Okay, notes, industry category, action items, continue, update calendar, backlink leaders, done. Okay, next part, customize, add that, tasks. What are we going to look for today? Status priority, estimates, AI summary, board, by Signy, mine, timeline, calendar, sprint, turn on sprints. Okay, this would then be number 10. This is my competitor analysis tracking. Okay, all competitors. There's all our competitors. Now, before we've got 15 minutes. Now we're going to go to content ideas. Okay, this is lovely. So now we're going to go. We've got all these content ideas. And I will be selecting all of that. Control C, going back to this Notion. Now remember, you can't just take all the information that you've got while putting it in a Notion. Yes, I'm just creating the database, but there's still going to be a lot of information in the background that I will have to look at, because some of this content we cannot just decide, we can't just utilize some of these contents and keywords. So let me give you, while that is building, so content ideas. What is content ideas? Okay, so content ideas on Ubersuggest is great. Content starts with great headlines. Explore the content pieces that got the most social shares on social media and use it as inspiration for your next post. Okay. Your next post. Why is it not going? There we go. Then, what does it mean? Page title URL. Page title URL. This is the title that shows up in a Google search for any given URL, followed by the page URL itself. Okay, next part. Estimated monthly visits is the estimated traffic this web page gets from Google for this particular term. Okay. Next is the backlinks. Backlinks. How many incoming hyperlinks from other websites to this domain? Okay, let's see how far is. Okay, so my Notion data, date added, again rating by type, done. Okay, let's customize. Let's see, tasks, type, priority, estimates, tags, AI summary, board, by Sunny, mine, timeline, calendar, sprints, 10 on sprints. There we go. So this would be number 11. LED box frame tracker. Okay, all products. Okay, let me see what's going on here. We can almost say goodbye. Let's see. So we've got the content ideas for Facebook, Pinterest, and Reddit. Okay, so I have created a keyword list. So there's my LED keyword list. how many keywords we have, the total volume, the average CPC, average paid. Okay, so we've got all that. Then traffic estimation, that would be the next. So let's go to my traffic overview. Okay, for LED. Yeah, you have all the estimations over here. So we've got traffic overview. Let me give you all the information. So we've got the traffic overview. Wonder, maybe I should do that. Maybe I should create one here too. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, Control C. Let's go back. Let's build this one. Here we go. Okay, 9 more minutes and then I'm going to say goodbye. So we've got this traffic. Okay, let me write here down. Traffic overview. Okay, traffic. No, I'm not writing. Traffic overview. What's that? Learn which areas you need to improve in your SEO by identifying your competitors' strengths, traffic trends, pages, and keywords that drive the most traffic. Okay, let's see here. Has this done this for me? Okay, priority, action items, notes, continue. Done. And customize. Task, position range, country, language, priority, position range. Come on. Turn on sprints. Okay. 11. Number 12. Here we go. What's the time? Okay. Next, let's write down traffic. So, what is traffic? Traffic. This is estimated traffic from both organic and paid sources. What is organic traffic? Organic, I can't spell, or organic monthly traffic. That is the total estimated traffic this domain gets considering the organic keywords. Okay, and then paid. Paid is the estimated traffic this domain receives from paid advertisements. Okay. What other information I can give you? Organic tree keywords. Okay, so what are organic keywords? The number of keywords this domain ranks for in the organic search. Next, what are paid keywords? Number of keywords the domain is bidding on in paid search. Next is your domain authority. What is domain authority? I probably only have time for this last one. Okay. Is a search engine ranking score by Moz that predicts how likely a website is to rank on search engine result pages. SERPs. Okay. A domain authority score ranges from 1 to 100. To 100. Okay. With higher scores corresponding to a great ability to rank. 4 minutes. Domain authority is calculated by evaluating multiple factors, linking root domains, number of links into DA score. This score can then be used when comparing websites or tracking the ranking strength of a website over time. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm going to say goodbye, but before I do that, final shout out to my client, LEDBOXFRAME. Please visit their website, LEDBOXFRAME.com, and visit their TikTok shop, and their Instagram shop. Okay. Let me run through their shop again before I say goodbye. So, LED box frame. They transform your space you can transform your space with LED light box frames designed for wellness and style. Okay, let me read this little thing. Welcome to LED box frame, where modern design meets therapeutic lighting. Our handcrafted LED lightbox frames are more than just decor. They're tools for creating calm, enhancing focus, and showcasing your most meaningful memories. Whether you're styling your home, creating a sensory-friendly environment, or looking for a unique our customizable LED frames offer a beautiful eco-conscious solution. Each frame is easy to use, energy efficient, and made in the UK using recycled materials. Discover how soft ambient lighting paired with personal imagery can elevate your space and support your well-being, one glowing frame at a time. And these are images that you can choose from, or you can send in your own images. And this is the light box that gets used. And yes, this is showcasing my client's business today. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for sitting in today and working with me. And hopefully see you tomorrow for my next client's showcase. Okay. Goodbye. Have a good day. In live.